What?
Now it's recording your. Hello, I'm Rick.
And I'm Jur.
And welcome to Agree to Disagree.
Affiliates should prefer CPL over Revshare.
Some waiting music. Ting,
Easy,
ting, ting,
easy.
ting, 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 ting. Good picture, yeah?
Great.
Yeah? You want to take it off? Shall
Yeah.
I take it off?
I think this is an easy one. CPL offers all the way, especially now a lot of affiliates are running Facebook. And yeah, if you run Revshare, you don't know what you're gonna get paid for the leads that you brought in, because it can take up to a year to get your money back and earn the profit that you want to earn. And with Facebook, it's impossible because you don't know what you can bid on the traffic.
Yeah, I agree with you, obviously, though I would say that it is bigger than only Facebook. I think it pretty much goes for all the traffic sources, in the sense that we do CPL and our company is built around calculating CPLs based on a rev share. I mean, we do this now for 15 years, and if you think as a lone ranger you can do it better than us as a whole company, and maybe try us, but so far we haven't seen much success in that yet. I mean, it's difficult. You pay for traffic today, you pay for traffic tomorrow, and at least for us, we often don't see the ROIs back on our CPLs that we pay in the first couple of weeks. So also have an affiliate, if you want to go to that route, it will take a long while to see it back. You also need to optimize on different variables than only the conversion point. I mean, you need to know, hey, apart from where do people register from, how many people do register, of all those people that create an account, how many of them spend money, how often do they spend money, how much money do they spend every time, and then to calculate, hey, when do I gonna finally see my investment on only this person back, and use that insights then already today to optimize your targeting efforts and your media buying efforts. I think it's a very brave endeavor to enact on by yourself.
Yeah, I think the only traffic source that can make it work is SEO, because you don't have that much cost, like only the hosting of course, but not that much cost with buying the traffic. And especially if your website is at one point booming, that brings in so many leads and then you get money out of it. But that's the only traffic source I think can work.
Yeah, so long story short, better let us carry the risk than you as an affiliate by yourself. Great.
AMs could easily be replaced by AI agents.
Question then. I'm gonna put it here, yeah.
I'm gonna fire myself.
So nice. So let's go, let's get you fired.
I think not easily and not completely, but a lot of tasks can be replaced by AI.
Like what?
Quality checks. I think mostly the data part of the job. Of course, we are salespeople, but we also look a lot at data and make calculations. And I think AI can replace us in quite some stuff there.
Would you then go as far as saying that an affiliate would log into a portal with Advidi or go in the chat with a Telegram bot, and that bot can answer all questions that would come up, give all recommendations, optimizations and everything else? Or would you say that at some point involvement of a human person from a human is still needed?
I think it also depends on the affiliate itself, because some affiliates just want you to give the information and say what to do, and some affiliates want to go deep dive into the data, and then you can have a portal. But I think a combination of the both would work really well.
Yeah, I agree to some extent. If I disagree, I think to some extent the easy part of the question doesn't really hold up. The AMs can easily be replaced, I think. And also I do agree with you that for certain tasks, yes. For example, a generation of campaign URLs, placing certain posts back, be it a sales post back or a normal post back, and maybe answering more of like the general questions into what is the best offer in this geo for this time frame. Though when it comes to optimizations, I do think that with some automation in place, you can give some general level feedback, like if something is really bad or something is really good indeed. But I do think to some extent also, I mean, of course, the backend and the developments there are important, how the traffic develops and what it means for the payouts that you can give, for example. But I also think that the knowledge about the business side of the relationship also helps a lot. Like, what kind of venture does my affiliate have? What is the impact of some optimizations? What is the impact of how would that look like for the affiliate? And of course, if you're talking to an AI, I can see that easily being missed, what the impact of certain optimization will have for an affiliate and how to find some middle ground in there. And yeah, maybe in the future, but I think at this moment, I still think the involvement of a human person is very much needed.
Yeah, I think for every affiliate is also different. Also, how we look at the data is for every affiliate different, and also like what rules, what agreements you made with affiliates.
Exactly.
When
Yeah.
to optimize and how to optimize.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So
maybe
we
next year.
So we agree to next year.
Next year.
Next year.